Master the calibration process with your Calibration Data Management tool vCDM. Stay tuned for the hottest new features of version 23. Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Ibrahim Gündüz and today we are going to take a closer look at the new features of the various vCDM tools. Sit back, relax and see how version 23 can help you better manage your calibration work. Let's start with vCDM Center. With the new project mode, it is a lot easier to create datasets that follow your own naming pattern. In previous versions, only the hex file could follow your naming conventions. The dataset's name was determined by vCDM. In the new mode, the dataset's name is derived from the hex file name. This makes it easier for the user to use their corporate naming conventions. And even better, you can rename the datasets at any time. Creating hex files usually takes a while. One file after another will be processed. But with our improved hex file generator, we can save you a lot of time. It's now possible to generate multiple datasets in parallel. Depending on your hardware, the progress will be much faster. Now, it's possible to tag not only variants and datasets with customer-defined attributes, but also your software versions. This makes it easier for you to quickly find your calibration assets. You can now also include software criteria in your searches, selections, and presentation structure. Since version 22, vCDM has been certified for functional safety. With the ISO 26262 certification, vCDM supports you in actively complying with regulations and increasing safety in the development of vehicles and their components. This will help you to certify your own process for functional safety. Let's go on to Canopy Option vCDM. The new feature vCDM database provides direct access to files stored in vCDM calibration repository. In Canopy, after connecting to vCDM, you can browse and download datasets or parameter files of any project on the server. With the integrated search function, you have full access to your complete calibration repository. And last but not least, the vCDM toolset. To give you more options for automation, we have integrated the REST API into our tool. You can now easily browse the API documentation, create commands, and export JSON files by using Swagger. The vCDM toolset does not necessarily require a vCDM server. It can work directly with calibration files, for example from Git, or network shares. When automatically generating software variants, it's now possible to combine the commands compare, export, and merge. This streamlines the creation of variants, let's say for a nightly build. The features you have just seen are only some of the highlights of vCDM version 23. Check out all the changes on our product pages and look out for the webinar on vCDM version 23. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Thank you for your attention. Discover our vCDM tutorials, a whole bunch of videos on the Vector Tech tutorial channel. To the point and as always, simplifying. Şimdi üye ol.